Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by saving a backup. Mistakes are reversible. Next, select the exact range or use Ctrl+A for the entire sheet so operations apply only where needed. Once done, choose your approach. Delete rows, clear cell contents, or replace zeros with blanks. You should prefer replace when preserving structure. Delete only if removing rows is intentional. Make sure to note whether zeros are numeric 0 or text 0, because that changes the method you use. You can immediately press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. Enter 0 in Find What and leave Replace with empty, then click Options and match entire cell if appropriate. Once done, replace all removed standalone zeros. Alternatively, insert a helper column and use =if, A1 equals 0, A1 then fill down and paste values back to preserve layout. Make sure to use match entire cell only when zeros stand alone. Otherwise, you might strip zeros from 10 or 0. 5 in it. You finish by pasting as values over the original range to lock changes, then remove helper columns if used. If you intended to delete rows, apply a filter for 0, select visible rows and delete them. Make sure to remove the filter afterward. If zeros persist, check for cell formatting, hidden characters, or formulas returning =0. Sometimes numbers are text or include non-breaking spaces. If that happens, use value or trim, or convert text to numbers to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.